So this is our crate, and this is our new sweet boy. We just took him to the vet, and he's such a good boy. He likes his crate. He rides in it really well. So I just wanted to talk about this crate. It's great. Greatest thing about it is that it has two doors so that you can put this in sideways and access the side or access the long end of it, depending on the orientation of your car and how it fits. But this is a Subaru Outback, and it fits in here perfectly. He rides in it really nice, and we like how it functions, the locks, the handles on this, everything works out really well, and couldn't be happier with it. So if you, what's that?
Easy to fold.
Oh, it is easy to fold and put away and store. Has a nice clip on it, so when you get it all folded down, it stays together. You can just slide it, under a bed or in a closet, wherever you might have space. But highly recommend it. It's a great crate, especially if you have a Subaru Outback. Like I said, this size in particular works out perfect, and we are very happy with it.